Hello and welcome to Boyum IT Solutions. Today we're going to talk about Beas Manufacturing and explore how we've helped chemicals customers around the world to digitally transform their business. Before we start the presentation, we'd like to provide you with a brief overview of our solution for the chemicals industry. For many years, the global chemicals industry has been fighting declining margins, product commoditization, rapidly expanding competition in developing countries, and customers demanding more at lower prices. After assisting hundreds of customers, we can see that different businesses have different challenges. However, chemicals companies generally have unique challenges in different areas which may not be the same for other industries. For example, quotation accuracy is difficult to achieve. Shop floor visibility is limited. It's difficult to manage complex formulations, including co-products and wastage, and complying with industry quality standards can be a challenge. If you're investing in an ERP solution, you'll want to choose an application with best practices for your industry built into it, without adding additional cost and implementation effort. Beas Manufacturing is a market-leading industry solution for SAP Business One within the chemicals sector, built on more than 16 years of best practice gained from customer and consultant knowledge. As a vertically focused software solution vendor, currently we have over 40 customers in this industry sector. We work with a global network of SAP Business One key partners and utilize a well-proven project delivery model based on the SAP Accelerated Implementation methodology. To understand what's affecting the chemical industry, it's important to look ahead and understand the market forces which influence the industry these days and will shape its operations in the future. As part of rapid globalization, new market entrants are emerging with innovative business models, concepts, and processes. This in turn drives shrinking life cycles and the rapid commoditization of products, as innovators catch up in terms of the speed and responsiveness with which they can develop new products, formulations, and services. The rise of the circular economy is another trend worth watching in 2019 and beyond. Scarcity of raw materials is a reality that chemical companies must factor heavily into their strategic thinking. So too is regulation. In an effort to reduce materials, energy, resource consumption, and waste and emissions, regulatory requirements are rapidly expanding their reach at the global, regional, and local level. Critical to innovations like these are digital platforms that allow the rapid, highly collaborative development of new products and services in a way that minimizes their impact on people and the environment along the entire life cycle. It's important that these platforms also embed safety and compliance requirements along those life cycles and monitor the impact of changes in regulatory requirements on products and services in real time so chemical companies can respond accordingly. If manufacturers wish to stay competitive in the market today, they must take those future trends into account, and especially when selecting their manufacturing solution. Industry analysts are forecasting cost reduction changes driven by the adoption of new technologies and digital transformation. For example, McKinsey forecasts that the polymer and chemicals market used in additive manufacturing will grow by 30% per year and is set to rise from $0.7 billion in 2015 to $2.5 billion in 2020. SAP Performance Benchmarking forecasts that manufacturing costs will be reduced by 19% with real-time monitoring of production costs and variances. Therefore, when reviewing the ERP marketplace, you need to ensure that your next-generation manufacturing solution can connect to such cost-saving devices and offer closed-loop systems, allowing you to maximize your investment and drive down costs. Now let's explore the current challenges of the chemicals manufacturing industry. Based on our industry knowledge, in the next 2 slides we're going to explore 6 issues commonly found in your industry. Compared with other industries, chemical companies are among the least confident in their pricing decisions and the least likely to raise prices regularly. The complexity of the recipes or formulas makes cost tracking a challenge for process manufacturers. Furthermore, the cost of wasted raw materials and ingredients also needs to be tracked as accurately as possible. Without all these details, process manufacturers cannot estimate their total actual costs per unit or compare this with the sales price to determine profit margins. Beas is able to capture, assign and compare actual and standard costs for all finished products. The ability to capture true costs at batch level provides a granular cost visibility, which is of paramount importance in this industry. This includes not only material costs, but labour, machine and overhead costs as well, and it covers the additional need to include the cost of co-products, byproducts and the impact of waste. However, to achieve that, you need to make sure that all information is integrated into one system, which is where most companies face a real challenge. Using the Beas Manufacturing Data Integration Hub, we automate the complex and time-consuming process of entering BOM data and calculate its accurate cost. With this integration in place, a process that would usually take your highest paid engineering staff a week to complete only takes a few minutes, allowing them to be more productive and adding real value to the business. Moving on to the second topic, which is resource optimization. As formulations become more complex and multi-constraint production resources such as machines, tooling, and labor skills are combined with large numbers of short-run production orders, providing an accurate customer delivery date is a complex task. In some cases, production staff are recording data manually on a paper-based system. This creates a lack of real-time production visibility and makes providing an accurate customer delivery date even harder. Beas capacity planning enables you to maximize production output and reduce changeover and cleanups to meet this increasing demand. Initial delivery dates can be calculated via finite forward scheduling. Combined with Beas APS functionality, both materials availability and capacity can be scheduled together to calculate a viable delivery date. Installing production data terminals in the factory or direct connection to machine data will provide a manufacturing closed-loop system. Recipes and formulas are not only complex, they also don't leave much room for error. A minor change in quantity for one ingredient can lead to quality management issues or may compromise an entire batch, since manufacturers need to take into account all the possible chemical reactions generated by adding ingredients that were not part of the original recipe. Another important challenge is that some ingredients can only be used in very specific conditions, related to factors such as temperature, humidity, or even exposure to light. Beas allows manufacturers to define processes to include waste, scrap, and byproducts. So when planning runs are executed, the resulting production plans will identify the amount of byproduct or waste generated from each plan. With Beas Manufacturing Revision Management, you can effectively manage several inactive bombs at the same time. With change impact analysis across the enterprise from forecasting to MRP, purchasing to production, and inventory to sales order, you can manage the full life cycle and ensure that the correct products are available to meet customer demand. Real-time data access in production is vital, whether it's related to products, processes, or machines operating in the factory. In the past, when production fell short of established goals, manufacturers traditionally added more machines and operators to the workforce. While this may have temporarily addressed the problem by raising output to accomplish production goals, it also raised overhead costs, increasing capital expenses, utilities, facilities requirements, parts usage, and more. This also increased the need for more supervisors and administrative personnel, adding to indirect labor costs. Traditionally, real-time information access for processes was not available at shop floor level. In the case of change in processes or actions, workers or machines have to wait until instructions are manually transferred or data is loaded in the production system. Factories in the future demand a close integration between ERP and shop floor and real-time access of data at production level for real-time execution. With Beas shop floor data collection, inventory is balanced to ensure the right components and quantities are in the warehouse at the right time. Data is collected from machines and business processes are filtered, analysed, and then delivered in required format to provide insights, which in return will help to give better process control and optimise and reduce overhead costs. Quality management is critical for process manufacturers needing to comply with a plethora of laws and regulations, which can vary depending on where the products are made and sold. An ERP solution helps process manufacturing companies avoid recalls and other legal issues caused by a lack of compliance with safety or industry standards. Poor product quality can also lead to health hazards like bacterial contamination or environmental issues such as pollution caused by dangerous chemicals. Besides the impact on the revenue of the company and the fines that may be incurred, these issues also impact the brand of the manufacturer. It usually takes years and a lot of effort for companies to regain the trust of consumers, which is why manufacturers prefer to prevent these problems from happening in the first place. Beas Manufacturing Quality Control allows enterprises to define what, when, and how products are tested, providing a full audit and electronic documentation trail of the quality control procedures and processes, thus increasing overall product quality and levels of traceability. Maintenance in the manufacturing environment is one of the most complicated types of maintenance in comparison to construction, transportation, and service businesses, as it deals with highly technical equipment that needs special types of expertise with limited choices of technology providers. In the past, maintenance work was typically reactive. Schedules, usually established manually, lacked consideration for the capacity and availability of resources. As a result, these schedules were followed loosely, if at all. Now, scheduling assesses the availability of skills and parts and includes analytics for optimization. From the maintenance management perspective, strong asset intelligence information provides an opportunity to identify trends and shift maintenance activities from reactive, unplanned downtime events to proactive, preventive maintenance. For example, looking at the collective work order history of a particular motor, it may become evident that the motor fails after 5,000 hours of use. With this data, preventive maintenance can be used to deliver scheduled work orders based on equipment usage. When an unplanned downtime event occurs in a chemical plant during off hours, labour costs increase because of overtime, expedited materials and equipment needed for repairs, and production loss for significant periods of time. With Beas Manufacturing, equipment maintenance is planned, the parts can be available, the labour scheduled, and the maintenance performed in a more efficient manner. Production downtime can also be avoided, meaning operations can potentially build product inventory levels so that customer shipments are still made and production revenue losses do not occur. Of course, there are other challenges than what we've listed here, but we hope you get the picture. Business challenges are hurting your business, some more than others, and it's important to identify just how much these challenges cost and impact your business's bottom line. We understand that you have a choice, and therefore we want to spend just a few minutes so you can get to know us and what we do and see if we're the right choice for you as the customer. Beas is the leading industry solution within the SAP Business One ecosystem, built on industry best practices and based on our market intelligence and consultants' industry knowledge. Designed to simplify the complexity of manufacturing and offer flexibility to meet your needs today and in the future by, for example, moving from make-to-order to mixed-mode production, which includes make-to-stock products. As a solution, Beas has been on the market for over 16 years, supporting 13 different manufacturing industries, with chemical being a core industry with currently over 40 customers. And within the SAP Business One community, the solution has won more awards than any other software solution provider. In the SAP Business One space, we have the largest customer base of more than 900 customers. The Beas Manufacturing solution has received more than 16 SAP Business One awards based on quality and functionality. Another important point is that Beas Manufacturing was designed specifically for SAP Business One, and we worked seamlessly with the solution. This is an important point if you're considering a solution that requires external integration to SAP Business One. This can add complexity to the implementation, which can have a very high price tag and is also more prone to errors. Beas Manufacturing is a certified solution and follows SAP's technical standards, so when SAP changes something, we change as well. This is the leverage of having a known functional foundation layer such as SAP Business One. This can save you money on the total cost of ownership, and we'll have more on that topic soon. Never heard of Boyum IT? Here's a quick overview. We are the leading global solution partner and a member of the SAP Partner Solution Council, a group of 14 partners chosen by SAP and representing the SAP Business One partner community. We're the best known and the largest solution provider out there for SAP Business One, and we work with 19 of the top 20 global SAP Business One partners. Our success is illustrated by the number of awards received from SAP, plus 5 consecutive Gazelle Awards, the most prestigious business award in Denmark for achieving business growth. All awards are very important, but we're especially proud to have won the SAP Global Solution Partner and People's Choice Awards for 2016 and 2017. Awards voted for by the SAP Partner Network regarding the quality of software, service and support. We have partnerships with 19 of the top 20 global SAP Business One partners, and for our customers, we implement our 3-8 process designed to boost productivity by up to 20% by eliminating processes that are not important, automating processes where necessary to save time, and delegating processes which cannot be eliminated or automated. We know customers like to deal with a local company, someone that speaks their language rather than trying to build an overseas relationship. With Boyum IT, wherever you are in the world, we have a partner to support you in that country. We work with over 600 partners, which is the largest ecosystem of partners in SAP Business One, and our products are running in over 90 countries. We support over 140,000 daily users, and just to make sure you get support in your time zone, we've established support offices in over 9 countries around the world. As we've mentioned before, Beas Manufacturing is integrated into SAP Business One, which is one of the most popular ERP systems for small and medium enterprises. But why is this so critical? It's always important for the decision makers to have a complete picture of their business that allows them to make more informed and effective decisions. This is only possible when all data sources, such as ERPs and applications, communicate with each other in a more streamlined way. Any functions that are detached from the core of the business system are a big headache for decision makers. If all the functions of a business run parallel to each other without any communication between them, the output will always be a fragmented one. However, when properly integrated, a lot of automation of workflow can take place that has a direct impact on the productivity of the business. This reduces manual data entry processes and data duplication, while eliminating the number of costly errors and streamlining all processes. Every name, every count, every phone number and every digit pertaining to operations, sales and finances are a lifeline for a business. Access to that data is like oxygen, and it must be constant like breathing. If all the data is not present in one place, it looks more like an incomplete painting, and the decision based on it will probably be half-baked. So if you're considering taking a manufacturing solution that doesn't have an integrated ERP solution as the backbone, then think again. At a high level, this slide describes the main business processes and building blocks of the combined solution of SAP Business One and Beas Manufacturing. At the core, we have SAP Business One, which manages the flow of materials and money in and out of the business via sales, service and purchasing, and the relevant financial functions to support the fiscal management of a company. When adding Beas Manufacturing, we include industry-related features which are not available as standard within SAP Business One. Those highlighted within the orange box are what we call Beas Basic, which is a selection of modules bundled together into a single license. The green box covers optional modules used to solve more complex industry requirements, such as production data collection for capturing production-related data in real time, and advanced planning and scheduling for resource optimization. One of the advantages of Beas Manufacturing is its flexibility, as when our customers grow or change their business model, we have the application flexibility and can provide customer choice without the need to go to another ERP vendor for a specific point solution, which is not designed or works seamlessly with SAP Business One, for example, preventative plant maintenance. In any software project, there are three elements: people, support, and software. To ensure that all the elements work together towards a successful go-live, we have adopted the SAP implementation methodology. Firstly, the partner is responsible for project management and creating deliverables such as the business blueprint, guiding the customer through the 5 implementation phases, and providing application first-line support. Secondly, the customer needs to form an in-house implementation team or person to be responsible for and supervise the implementation, making sure it's moving in the right direction and that your needs are covered. You need to validate each step of the implementation until you have reached go-live stage. This is very important. Where do we fit in? Simple. We are responsible for the quality of Beas Manufacturing, and we provide a support infrastructure for our partners. But not only this, we support them every step of the way. This means that we provide our partners and you, as the customer, with training tools, e-learning courses, hands-on workshops and articles to make it easier for anyone to learn, implement and use the solution. We're continuously working on our education services to make sure that you will get everything that you need. Not enough? Do you require special assistance? Well, when the partner doesn't know how to do something, they can always turn to us and we'll help you and guide them through the different steps. Our partners have access to any of our Beas Manufacturing specialists at every step of the project and after the project has been finalized. To summarize, when implementing Beas Manufacturing, you get a standardized system that has built-in usability and customization tools with a flexible licensing structure. So you only buy what you need, and we're here for the long term. We can support you over the next 10, 15 or 20 years. Beas Manufacturing has been implemented within over 40 customers in the chemicals industry, and from our experience we come across a number of situations which are common across all customers. For example, improved reporting to support timely decision making, for production planning to take full advantage of resources to increase productivity, quality and customer service, and simplified inventory management. With a centralized solution covering all business processes, a combination of SAP Business One and Beas Manufacturing has been able to provide accurate product costs for the business, increase productivity through resource optimization, provide real-time data to support decision-making, and reduce dead inventory. In summary, market forces and trends are making enterprises rise to the challenge and change is inevitable. In order to remain competitive, businesses need to continually review how they work, as the way of doing business today will be very different tomorrow. 900 manufacturing companies have chosen Beas Manufacturing to sustain or increase customer satisfaction, improve profitability, ensure high quality, consistency and efficiency, and overcome the limitations of slow, error-prone manufacturing processes. Why not seriously think about joining our ecosystem and let us help you to take the first steps along your transformation journey. Our team of experts and extended partner network can help you through the challenges you face today and help you transform your business. The only question that remains is, if not now, then when? To complete this presentation, we'll now conduct a short Beas demonstration. Thanks for listening and we wish you all success in the future.